Welcome to the channel. If you're studying for CompTIA Security Plus or just want to understand cybersecurity better, this video is for you. Let's talk about something super important, security program documentation, and break it down into four simple parts: policies, procedures, standards, and guidelines. First up, policies. These are the high-level rules set by company management. They tell us what must be done. For example, a company might say, employees must change their passwords every 90 days. Think of it like school rules. You must follow them. No debate. Next, procedures. These are the detailed steps to follow the policies. It's the how. So if the policy says change your password every 90 days, the procedure tells you how to actually do it. Go to Settings, click on Change Password. Enter the new one. Then we have standards. These are the specific technical rules everyone must follow. They make sure things are consistent. Example, all employee laptops must use full disk encryption and run Windows 11 Pro. Standards help keep systems secure and uniform. And finally, guidelines. These are suggestions, best practices. They're not required, but they're helpful. Like, use a passphrase like, I love my dog 2025 instead of a one-word password. So let's recap. Policies tell us what to do. Procedures show us how to do it. Standards give us the technical details. Guidelines offer advice and tips. These documents work together to protect the company and make sure everyone knows their role in keeping things secure. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Security Plus content, and leave a comment if you want more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, in cybersecurity, clarity saves companies.